probably one of the most seemingly frustrating or deal breakers of why folks aren't moving to a Chrome device is they're like, well, our organization or my customers use Microsoft files quite heavily, and even if I'm using Google Drive and the rest of the G Suite offering, I'd be kind of out of luck because I'm getting a lot of files that I need to quickly view, edit, etc. that are of the Microsoft format. Well, that's actually not the case. There is an extension, a Chrome extension called Office Editing for Docs, Sheets, and Slides. And what this allows you to do is if you have a Microsoft Word file, a PowerPoint file, or an Excel file, you can simply drag and drop that attachment or that file into your Chrome web browser, and it will automatically open that file and give you the ability to read, to view, and to even make simple edits. And you can save it back to that original format and send it off to whoever you need to work with. Further, if you see that file, and let's say it's a template that you really like, but it's just not in Google format, you can take it and convert it to a Google Doc or a Google Sheet or a Google Slide. And it's very easy to use. Now, the extension would not be necessary if you're using, let's say, a brand new Chrome device. It'll likely have the functionality just built into Chrome because this is something that Google has created, and they're making it just a functionality that is available to anyone who uses Chrome, period, whether you're on a Microsoft running device or a Mac, or you're using a Chrome device or anything of that nature. As long as you're running Chrome, you should be able to have this functionality. And it gets a little missed sometimes because you just assume Google, Microsoft, two different parties. Not the case. There is a lot to be said for what Google is trying to do to enable the workforce and allow folks to just work the way they want. So this is a really good way of doing that. To make those quick edits, to view files, etc., in a Chrome browser without actually having to have Office 365 installed is very helpful, especially if you're really heavily using G Suite, but you do need to access, edit, view, etc., share Microsoft files. So this is great. Check out Office Editing for Docs, Sheets, and Slides. I'll make sure to leave the download link in the description. Check it out.